Beekeeper's Naturals, Propolis Cough Syrup, 4 fluid ounces, 118 milliliters. Product Overview Description: highly concentrated 45 mg propolis extract per serving nighttime immune support made with buckwheat honey plus elderberry plus melatonin dietary supplement certified B Corporation female founded immunity support throat soothing restful sleep gluten free. Feel like yourself again. Immune supporting and super soothing ingredients that help you get that much needed sleep. Benefits of propolis: delivers 300 plus beneficial compounds, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Third-party pesticide testing to triple-check that our hives and our products are pesticide-free. Known for protecting the hive, we use it to support our immune systems and combat free radical damage in the body. Sustainably sourced. We never overharvest from our hives. We always ensure that our green apiaries are remote and far from harmful chemicals. Suggested use: shake well before use. Adults and children 12 years and older, take 2 teaspoons every 2 to 3 hours. Use up to 4 times daily or as directed by your healthcare professional. Use within 90 days of opening. Other ingredients: vegetable glycerin, citric acid, potassium sorbate, preservative. Warnings: keep out of reach of children. This product may cause drowsiness. Do not drive or operate heavy machinery while taking melatonin. As with any dietary supplement, if you are nursing, pregnant or taking medication, consult your healthcare professional before use. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.